Are you struggling on your Excel learning journey? Whether you are a beginner or have been struggling in this field for a while, finding the right path to effective learning can be challenging. Today, we are here to address these issues. You may face time constraints. Learning Excel requires a significant time investment, especially for beginners. However, work and life pressures make it difficult to find enough time for in-depth learning and practice. You may lack effective learning strategies. Many people lack clear learning strategies when it comes to learning Excel. They may spend a lot of time on unnecessary features while neglecting those that are truly helpful for their work and daily life. Or it could be the technical complexity of Excel itself. Excel is a powerful software with many complex formulas and functions to master. For beginners, this undoubtedly increases the difficulty of learning. You might even feel hopeless due to a lack of practical exercises in your learning. Most Excel courses focus on theoretical knowledge but lack practical application exercises. The most effective way to learn Excel is through hands-on practice. Without practical experience, learners struggle to translate their knowledge into practical skills. These problems are not without solutions. If these issues are not addressed, learners often find themselves investing time and effort into Excel learning without achieving effective results. Without addressing these challenges, learners may face the following consequences. First, ineffective use of Excel can significantly impact productivity. Excel is a powerful tool that, when used properly, can greatly enhance work efficiency. However, without proficiency, more time may be spent on simple tasks and even lead to erroneous decision-making. Second, job opportunities may decrease. More and more positions require Excel skills. If learners cannot effectively use Excel, they may be at a disadvantage in the job market, missing out on important job opportunities. Third, confidence may suffer. Inability to grasp Excel skills can impact learners' confidence. When they see colleagues or peers proficiently using Excel while they struggle, it can lead to frustration and a sense of helplessness. Fourth, motivation to learn may be lost. Initial enthusiasm for learning may diminish over time due to a lack of progress, and learners may even abandon learning Excel altogether. We understand your struggles, and we're here to provide solutions. Our solution is to offer you a comprehensive and practical online Excel course that will guide you through real-world scenarios to help you build and enhance your Excel skills. This Excel instructional video course is designed by experienced Excel teachers who provide numerous real-world application examples and practice exercises for you to apply and practice your knowledge. Our course focuses on practical application, teaching learners how to solve Excel problems they may encounter in real-work situations. We provide a series of challenging puzzles that simulate real-world scenarios and teach practical techniques and strategies to solve these problems. Our course also incorporates cutting-edge artificial intelligence technology, such as using OpenAI's ChatGPT for automating Excel VBA macros, enabling learners to handle complex tasks more efficiently. Through our course, learners gain the most comprehensive Excel skills and the confidence to use Excel proficiently in any situation. Our goal is to help learners fully leverage the powerful functionalities of Excel, enhance their work efficiency, and achieve their work objectives. Let's introduce Leo, for example. Leo is a graduate student in information electronics who used to find learning Excel extremely challenging. His lack of hands-on experience and practical training always troubled him. He struggled with reports and data analysis, unable to complete tasks quickly and accurately. When he started taking our Excel course, he felt excited because our course was exactly what he was looking for. It emphasized practical applications and provided numerous real-world scenario exercises. Through our course, he learned how to solve practical problems using Excel, especially in Excel data analysis, how to handle data more efficiently, and even how to use ChatGPT to build VBA macros for automating difficult tasks. In just a few weeks' time, Leo transformed from a student struggling with Excel into an expert proficient in Excel skills. His report quality improved significantly, and he gained more recognition in the academic community. Most importantly, he no longer saw Excel as a challenge, but as a useful tool that helps him work more efficiently in his research. This is the power of our course, and we believe that with your dedication, you can achieve the same transformation as Leo did. Through our course, Excel will become your powerful tool, making your work and learning easier and more efficient. If you want to break free from Excel fears like Leo did, then you cannot miss this opportunity. This course will provide you with a fresh learning experience that goes beyond mundane theoretical learning, empowering you to apply the skills you learn in your work and life. Our course is suitable for both beginners and those who already have some Excel knowledge but want to enhance their skills. Whether you are a student or a professional, if you aim to improve your Excel skills, this course is the perfect choice for you. Our course offers various learning resources, including video tutorials, downloadable examples, and forum discussions. Each resource serves a unique purpose and value, and we encourage you to make full use of them to enhance your learning effectiveness. Additionally, our course is highly flexible, allowing you to learn at your own pace. Whether you prefer completing the course in one go or learning in segments, you can achieve excellent learning outcomes. We also encourage you to seek help promptly when encountering difficulties, whether it's asking questions to the course instructors or engaging in discussions with fellow learners on the forum, as it can provide valuable assistance. Don't let confusion and frustration hinder your Excel learning progress any longer. Take the leap and join our comprehensive online Excel course today. Empower yourself with the skills and knowledge to excel in Excel and unlock new opportunities for growth and success in your professional and personal life. Start your Excel learning journey with us now. By now, you may have gained a preliminary understanding of our professional Excel skills course. Now, you might be thinking, this course is fantastic, and I definitely want to join. However, you may still have some questions, such as, do I have enough time to learn this course? Will I achieve the desired results from my learning? Is the time and money investment worth it? Firstly, let me tell you that learning new skills is never easy. It requires time, effort, and continuous practice. However, when you see your progress and use the acquired knowledge to solve real-world problems, you realize that all the effort is worthwhile. Our course is designed to be highly flexible. You can create a learning plan based on your own time availability and learning pace. If you have limited time on weekdays, you can choose to concentrate your learning on weekends. If you only have a short amount of free time each day, you can allocate that time for online learning. Our goal is to help you find space for learning within your busy life. Secondly, you may be concerned about whether you can achieve the desired results from your learning. To address this, we have a guarantee. As long as you follow our learning strategies and continuously practice the acquired knowledge, you will undoubtedly see progress. Additionally, our course features lifelong learning, which means that even after completing the course, you can always come back to review the course content or look up the information you need. As for whether it's worth investing your time and money in learning this course, only you can answer that question. However, I'd like to remind you that knowledge and skills are key to staying competitive in this rapidly changing world. Excel, as a widely used tool, has extensive applications in academic research and the workplace. Therefore, we believe that the value of this course far exceeds the time and money investment required. As a token of appreciation for early participants and supporters of our course, we have specially designed a limited time offer. You can access the entire course content at a discounted price. This includes not only the listed course content, but also all future updates and additions. Please note that this offer is uncommon and time-limited. If you're interested in enhancing your Excel skills, we strongly recommend that you seize this opportunity. It's an excellent chance to learn effectively at a relatively low cost. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Take immediate action, join our Excel learning community, and embark on your learning journey. Just click the enrollment link below the video, fill in the necessary information, and you'll enjoy our special offer.